How to find draft post on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find draft post on Facebook. So let's just get started with the video and find out how we can do that. So if you want to find a draft post on Facebook, first of all, let's create a post. For that, you can head over to a Facebook account and go to your profile and create up a new post like you normally do. For example, I'm going here and writing a text message, for example, and you can save it as a draft. Once that is done, make sure your notifications of Facebook is on, and when you do that, you can find this notification that says your drafts have been saved. So you can just go ahead and tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be finding all of your drafts that was unpublished before. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the draft you can go ahead and tap on the three dot right beside the draft and open up the draft. After that, you can just go ahead and post it like you normally do. So that is how you find out your drafts in your Facebook account easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.